So today I'm going to show you a EURUSD trade setup short. Today is the 11th of May. So we take a look at the DXY. DXY had news come out at 8:30. See there, so it traded from this weekly opening gap to this weekly opening gap, found support and started trading up higher. So it broke above there, retested and went higher. We take a look at EURUSD. USD pushed up with the news, and then dollar touched, found support in the weekly opening gap, and it started trading lower. Once it made a new high and then a lower low, this here is a breaker, a bearish breaker. This is sell side liquidity here, so that was the draw liquidity for me. This line here, the number 1.09280, is a daily BISI low. So we go into the daily. Is this one here, this fair value gap here, that's the low of it, so that's why I've got it drawn on here. So one price breaks, makes a lower low after the high, then this becomes a breaker. I draw the breaker across, and then I found a fair value gap here, and there's also a fair value gap there. The reason why I chose this fair value gap is because it lined up with the BISI low. And if you actually look, so the number of the BISI low is 1.09280. If you look at the high of this candle, it's 1.09280. So it tapped to the T of the BISI low, and that could have been an entry. Your stop just above this candle or above the high, and then the target would be this low. Because obviously price took out buy side here, also took out buy side here. So buy side liquidity, so it wanted to seek sell side, which is down here. So people who longed from this position here have moved their stops from there, and they're now been taken out for the shorts. So yeah, that's how I spotted that trade. I found the draw liquidity, and then my entry was from this fair value gap, breaker block, and also it lined up with a BISI low. So yeah, a nice risk to reward, about I'd say 3.5 to 1, I'd say. Yeah, about 3.5 to 1. Nice trade entry, nice setup, and I'd have been in and out of the trade in about 15 minutes, and that's why I like those sort of low resistance trades. Hopefully you understood this. Comment, like if you have any questions or anything like that, and like if you enjoyed the content. Cool. And as ICT says, be safe. Oh, shout out to ICT, this is all him. So you can watch his 2022 model setup. But yeah, be safe.